to do a pineapple mask because I was doing some research and actually found out it's actually pretty good for your skin. So I'm gonna try and make a mask that's a good consistency that'll actually stay on my face and that I can compare to packaging as a backup. This is the Bee Berry Radiant Resurfacing AHA mask, and this one has grape and apple in it. But I'm really excited to try and make my own, and I'm hoping that it'll feel the same, giving me that same like tingly, prickly feeling. So here is my pineapple. This is actually frozen pineapple, and I let it like sit out for a little bit, so it's still cold, which I kind of want, but I don't want it freezing cold because like I just don't like cold things like at all. So I'm actually gonna blend it up in my magic bullet. So I think I'm just gonna try first just mixing it with honey.
It's Masterell on the beat, baby.
Life is better for me. Life is better for me, yeah. All this blessing I see. All this blessing I see, yeah. You always show up for me. You never leave my side. Even when I don't deserve your love, still give it to me. Even when I do the things I do, steady by my side. Baby, you're my blessing every day. I pray for you. For your love I cannot play. Baby, you are blessing, oh. My personal blessing. You my blessing, oh. My personal blessing. Baby, you are blessing, oh.
How it's looking so far, it's a little chunky, so I am gonna add back a little bit of pineapple juice to dry. Okay, perfect. It's actually perfect. Look at that. It's not too runny. It's perfect. Okay, let's put it on our face. So I've tied my hair back. Actually, I just remembered something important. I'm wearing SPF, so I need to take that off. But I think we got a really good consistency from the blender. Hang on the face. So let me wash my face, tone it, and I'll be right back. Okay. If you like cold things are really good for your skin and can tighten your pores. So if you can stand it and you actually like it, like if you're a skincare fridge kind of chick, I would go with it in straight frozen, and then you'll even get a thicker consistency, but it might like start to melt on you. But just something to think about. But all right, I'm gonna leave this on for maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll come back. Okay, so it has been about 20 minutes, and it has completely dried on my face. It definitely tingled a lot like the other masks once the mentholy feeling of my cleanser went away. It definitely had that like prickly feeling. So now it's tight and dry, and I'm gonna rinse it off and then see how I feel. Okay, so I wouldn't say like I see a crazy difference, but I definitely think this worked because the one thing that I always notice when I use my Berry Bright is that if you've ever nared your skin, you kind of know how it feels like. That just nair feeling like after your skin, like my hair isn't off my face, but it's just like this smoothness that I can't describe, and my skin actually feels like that again today. That was like the biggest factor besides the tingling. If I felt like that nair smoothness, like almost like my skin has just been polished. It's really hard to describe, but I definitely feel that way. I'm just gonna follow up with a serum. It's still the daytime. I am gonna put on a little bit of SPF. Really like this mask. Super fun new DIY. But yeah, if you guys use it, let me know what you guys think about it, and see if it becomes part of my routine.
My personal blessing. You my blessing, oh. My